hello everyone, welcome to my video. Hello to every friend in Speak English Follow Your Dream, and also hello to my friends, classmates in English Fluency Secrets. Today I will show you about 5 idioms. First of all is chew the fat. Chew the fat is mean along and information conversation with someone or to gossip with friend and at the leisure time. And today I will have a example like when we see someone, how nice to see you, let's have a seat and let's chew the fat for a while. Or also when you talk with your friend or your family, like I'm do with my sister, and I was able to convince my sister to go with us after chewing the fat for about an hour with her. That's something like that means chew the fat. Next is fish out of water. That means like being uncomfortable and restless, being unusual situation, you're not feeling like a relaxed, something like, and like when you're in the company and you have a new management and you can say like we had no clue how to make us comfortable with a new management. He was looking like a fish out of the water. That means you're not comfortable. Feel blue is like a color, but actually that means you feel sadness, you feel depressed yourself, or you feel something like it's not good, it not feel good at all, you feel sad, you know. And this time is if you see something, if you see someone feel blue, you can say like this: it seems that you are feeling blue. Is there something wrong that you would like to share with me? That feel blue, you can help them, right? For the next is shed light. Shed light is to explain something into the order to make it easier to understand and to classify or clear up any misunderstanding about an issue. For the example, like we have our friend had some experience to join to coaching call with teacher Shane, and they have a expansion about the English course and actually shed more light on the head acro, and also going through to the syllabus step by step, how to shed light on it. That's it. Take heart. Take heart, it means like you stay confident at a positive and to be happy about something. And like when you see someone's they nervous, they feel scared something, and you can say, oh dear, take heart, there is still time left for the results. And I have to tell you those things, so that is that in us you may have pleased, and in this world you will have trouble, but take heart, we will overcome the world. Bye. สวัสดีค่ะ
Bring back